Once upon a younger year, when all our shadows disappeared, the animals inside came out to play. Went face to face with all our fears, learned our lessons through the tears, made memories we knew would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms and let him stay. When you get older, your wild heart will live for younger days. To be if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. Glass all broken down, light a fire they can't put out, carving name into those shining stars. He said go venture far beyond the shores, don't forsake this life of yours, I'll guide you home no matter where you are. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. When I was just a kid I heard him say, when you get older your wild heart will live for younger days. If ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. These are the nights that never die. My father told me.
And now please welcome the starting lineup for your Saskatoon Blizzard. At left wing, number 10, Patrick Sharp. At right wing, number 21, Kyle Pozo. At center, number 22, Wayne Megan. And in goal, number 72, Carter Hart. The head coach for the Blizzard is Brett Hall. The California Eagles. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise, remove all hats, and join us in the presentation of the anthems. First, the American National Anthem. And now the Canadian national anthem. Thank you, and enjoy the game. Alright, welcome to SaskTel Center in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. Today we got the Saskatoon Blizzard hosting the California Eagles. The Blizzard are currently on the tail end of a back-to-back. And you got the Eagles who just played on Friday as well. So both teams had a little fatigue, but the Blizzard have even more fatigue. They played yesterday. In fact, they played last night, so they had to get back, and now they have a noon start here today. It's tough. It's tough for teams because, the game ended at about 6:30. And then the Blizzard had to leave, go from San Antonio to Saskatoon, get a morning skate in. It's tough. California has gone with a very similar lineup that they had yesterday. In fact, the same one. The Blizzard have gone with almost a completely different lineup after their horrible loss yesterday. They lost 3-1, but it was worse. Nobody on the Blizzard were scoring there. Their only goal was an own goal. The only guy they left in was Wade Megan. Only 4,118 in here. So again, the Blizzard with horrible attendance numbers. It's just horrid. Anyway, here we go. Their goal horn is, I don't want to spoil too much. We're underway. First shot of the game is Patrick Sharp, and he missed by a long shot. Across Lundqvist. Shea Weber fires a shot, tipped away by Carter Hart. Out to Okposo. Firing a shot, Megan. No, and that's a save. Right back across to Butler. He scores! Just 16 seconds into the game, Butler has one squeezed through Carter Hart. And it's 1-0 California. For the second straight game, they score first. That's a tough one to give up if you're Carter Hart. You had a great season last year. And already, you've given up an odd one here tonight already. Just 16 seconds into the game, too, so that's rough. Butler. So Chris Butler scoring his third of the preseason. And it's 1-0. It's rough if you're Carter Hart. You think you have the save, but then you have it squeezed through you and in. Here's Shea Weber, and a save is made by Carter Hart. Here's Patrick Sharp. Leaves it for Megan. He fires, and he scores! Wade Megan ties it right back up. What a response. Just 8 seconds after the Butler goal, Wade Megan answers his second of the preseason, and it's all tied. Banger, that's what we like to see out of these LHL players. Wade Megan with a great shot, gets it up, gets it past Henrik Lundqvist. This is a great shot. Great play there. We're all tied. Shea Weber has it in the corner. Tries to bounce it out. What's he doing? Okposo scores! And it's already 2-1. Just 7 seconds apart. Kyle Okposo gets his first of the preseason. It's 2-1 Saskatoon. A very action-packed start to this one here. We have 3 goals already, and we're only 31 seconds into the game. In this case, Kyle Okposo gets a mean shot up here. Henrik Lundqvist doesn't even move. Two to 1 Blizzard. Puck on the line. Okposo shoots and he misses. And now Henrik Lundqvist trying to get the net on, but struggling, but does eventually. Chris Butler gets it out. Jeremy Welsh. It's nicking the line. California gets it anyway. Here's a shot there by Shea Weber that doesn't go. Turns it over and a save is made. Wade Megan. Patrick Sharp shoots no good. That's going to miss. And it went out of bounds. I think we'll add a second back. You know, it's been a very wild start to this game. You know, 3 goals in the first 31 seconds of the game. It's already 2-1 here. And there's a shot by Shea Weber that doesn't go. Patrick Sharp fires, no good. Shea Weber, he takes a shot, it doesn't go. That's going to be turned over, deflected away. Sharp will try again, but it's blocked. Megan has it. Shoots and a save by Lundqvist. Here's Jeremy Welsh. He fires off the side of the net. Kyle Okposo has it, turns it over, and a shot by Butler on the line, kept out there by Carter Hart. He knocks it into the corner, where Sharp will now collect it. He has it. Here's Kyle Okposo. He shoots one, and he scores! The Blizzard have 3, and they lead by a score of 3-1. And we're still in the first. Okposo with his second in a row, and it's 3-1. And I think if you're Bill Hickey, you want to consider making a goaltending change. Because Saskatoon is red hot right now. You want to try and slow it down. And it looks like that's what he's going to do. He's going to go out and make a goaltending change. He's going to take Henrik Lundqvist out of the game. After the great game he had yesterday, or on Friday, he only gave up 3 goals in 9 minutes, and already he's given up 3 goals in 1 minute and 21 seconds. In the first minute, 21. That's rough. That's rough if you're California. You thought Lundqvist would be a great goaltender. He has 1 really good game. And now he's blundered. It's rough. We got Mike Smith coming into the game. On the goaltending change. You want to try and slow the pace down. That's what you got to do. Mike Smith is in for Henrik Lundqvist. There it is. Mike Smith in for Henrik Lundqvist. You know, that's what you got to do. If you go down like that, you got to make a goaltending change to try and slow down the pace of the game. Because, you know, Saskatoon is red hot on offense right now. Minute 39 to go in the first. Here's Shea Weber. Oh, man, it was on target for the goal, but it hit some piece of the ice and it just bounced over. Tough break. Tough break right there for Shea Weber, who had a goal. That's another miss, this time from Butler, into the same bench as that last shot from Weber. That should have gone in. It should be 3-2 right now. Instead, it's still 3-1. And a shot there that doesn't go. Patrick Sharp has it. He shoots and a save is made. Goes back into the corner where Sharp collects it over to Okposo. Wade Megan fires a shot and it's 4-1. No, not again. There we go. Man, Saskatoon is just red hot right now. Wade Megan scores his third of the preseason. It's 4-1. Another great shot. You know, California's getting the shots, but they're not getting them high enough, and Carter Hart's saving them all. This one in particular here, Wade Megan gets the shot up. And it just had enough height and enough momentum to find its way into the back of the net. 4-1 Saskatoon lead. Weber hits the post. Another tough break for Weber, who got a good shot, but he just hit the post. Here's Jeremy Welsh. Skates around and shoots, and it's deflected into the corner by Carter Hart. And now it's there for Sharp to collect it. He fires a shot, almost bounced in. And here's Kyle Okposo with another try. It doesn't go. Butler trying. It doesn't go in either. Kyle Okposo gives it to Megan. Back to Sharp. He tries. Mike Smith makes the save. Weber tipped away there by Carter Hart. Sends it out to Okposo. That's going to be blocked. And right to Patrick Sharp. He shoots off the post. He'll try again. It was a little bit weak. 45 seconds to go in the first. Shea Weber. Oh, another one that should have gone in, but it bounced over on him. Chris Butler. Here's Jeremy Welsh, and a stop is made. Trying. Oh my God, that almost went in. It hit the post on the net. I don't know if it would have counted anyway. Kyle Okposo has it. Shoots, bouncing into the bench. He could have made an effort to block that. He could have made an effort to block that. To keep it from going into the bench, to keep the game going. Because you could tell California is tired. Thought the Blizzard would have more fatigue, but they're up 4-1 already. Sharp fires a shot. It doesn't go. It goes into the penalty box, the other one. You know, the Blizzard have 4 goals already, you know. They're on the tail end of a back-to-back. I just thought they'd be a little more tired. Man, they are fired up right now. They've gotten 4 goals in this period, and if that's all they score, it might be enough with how California is playing. I mean, they got to score more. I mean, they should put more into the back of the net, but it'd be nice to see California maybe come back here, make it a game. I can't tell where the puck went. Get my trusty light. Oh, it's right there, of course. That's where I thought it was. We'll do the face-off here. I think that's where it went out of bounds, at least. I mean, when in doubt, you should do a face-off at center ice. I mean, your team's up 4-1. You gotta do anything. Sharp fires a shot, doesn't go. Shea Weber has it. Trying to put a line on the goal net. It was. Sharp fakes it. Megan, and it's 5-1. The Blizzard are just pouring it on. And we're still in the first. Wade Megan has a hat trick already. A hat trick for Wade Megan. It's 5-1. I don't know, man. I don't know what it is about California or Oakland coming into SaskTel Center. Only 4,118 fans came to watch. And their team is absolutely blowing the heck out of California. It's insane. 5-1 with 14 seconds. A shot tipped away there by Carter Hart. Sent down into the corner. Here's Kyle Okposo. Turns over and a good save again by Carter Hart. Patrick Sharp shoots and a save by Mike Smith. Here's Shea Weber. Shoots no. Okposo will just hold on to it. And 4,118 happy with what they saw. The Blizzard put up 5 here in the first period. We'll be right back for the second. We're ready for period number 2. The Blizzard lead 5-1 after Megan got a hat trick in the first period. And you saw Kyle Okposo get 2. Patrick Sharp hasn't scored yet. And we're back underway here. Puck is on the line. Here's Sharp. Right across. Okposo! That was a liner. Oh my God. Here's Shea Weber. Here's Jeremy Welsh, fakes it. Chris Butler has it now. He shoots and a save is made. Megan Okposo, he shoots a little bit weak. Turns it over. Oh man, Hart was way out of his net, but he missed the save. Patrick Sharp shoots. Smith able to catch it before it can dribble in. And now here's Shea Weber. Shea Weber walks out with it, tipped away there by Jeremy Welsh into the corner. Patrick Sharp now fires a shot, and Smith able to tip it wide. Chris Butler passing it around now. Here is Butler, and he fires no good. Turns over, and Weber gets stopped again by Carter Hart. I feel like the Blizzard, I mean, this could be enough to hold on. It could be. The shot tipped away. Across the ice to Butler. Turns over. Oh! Okposo had an open net. Weber fires a shot off the post, and that doesn't go in. It wouldn't have counted because it hit the post. And they're just letting the play continue here. Okposo has it tipped out of bounds. Good save there by Smith. You know, they're trying to hold the Blizzard off with just 5, making it possible to come back. Back in the corner now. Chris Butler will collect it there. Oh, too much on the pass, but Megan misses. Butler being a little more cautious this time with the pass to Welsh. Tipped away. Rebound offside on California. Across to Okposo. He shoots. Stopped. And they'll touch it up. You know, that's a good place to touch it, is off your own is off the boards along the side or putting it back into the corner. That's a good place to hit it if, you know, there's a delayed offside. 5-1. And that's going to be turned over, and a shot by Welsh doesn't go. Wiegand has it here. He fires, he missed the net. And wow, what a stop by Hart. It dribbled, and he was able to hang on to it. And a good save. I don't know what Patrick Sharp was doing there. Chris Butler has it. Shoots, doesn't go. Rebound, missed the net. And now Chris Butler will calm it down in behind his net. Down to 1:20 to go. Chris Butler comes out with it. Shea Weber with a... That wasn't much of a driller at all. Okposo fires a shot. It doesn't go. Here's Jeremy Welsh. He shoots. He missed it. He tries again. Almost back in, but Smith keeps it out. And now out of bounds he goes. He was not offside. They're just letting it go. Blizzard killing off time here. Patrick Sharp almost dribbles in. Kept away, though, by Mike Smith. Jeremy Welsh out to Weber. He fires. Goes wide of their goal. The play continues here. 50 seconds. Oh, he goes offside. Nothing is going right. Right there. Does not go. And finally, they touch it up. Man, California is just banged up right now. Like, if anything could go wrong for California, it has. If anything could go wrong, it has. For California, they haven't allowed a goal here in this period, but they haven't scored anything either. A shot tipped away. Okposo having trouble, and he fires a shot saved. Butler and another stop by Carter Hart. Here's Patrick Sharp. Gets it to Okposo. And a save is made. Weber, driller, doesn't go. Rebound, save again. And no, a lot of quick shots coming from both sides. That shot didn't go, and now you got the Blizzard trying to eat up a little bit more time. Here's Kyle Okposo. He fires a shot. It doesn't go. Megan to Butler. He shoots. No good again. Here's Patrick Sharp over to Okposo. Tipped away there by Mike Smith. Has it in the corner. Good bounce out to Weber. He shoots. Blocked off. He tries again and a stop. And now Sharp will hold to the last shot. No goals in that second period. Nothing happened. Besides a fly out and an offside. A couple of offsides on California. Really, if anything could go wrong for California, it has. We'll be back for the third. All right, third period about to start here. Saskatoon continues to hold a 4-goal lead on California. And we're underway here. The puck is nicking the line. California has it here. Chris Butler has it up along the boards. He shoots, and a stop is made by Carter Hart. Kyle Okposo across. Patrick Sharp. He'll hold it here. He fires, and he scores! One more for the Blizzard. Sharp finally getting in on the action. Our first goal since the first period. This one comes 14 seconds in, and Patrick Sharp has his first of the preseason. Stop. So 90% of the time, if you're up by 5 in the third, like 99% of the time, you win the game. And Chris Butler fires a shot, totally missed it. Okposo turns it over, that's a miss. Here's Patrick Sharp in the corner. Up ahead, bounces back to Okposo, it doesn't go. Rebound, and a save is made by Mike Smith. Shea Weber to Jeremy Welsh. Welsh fires and a stop, and Carter Hart sends it back. Okposo up ahead to Megan. He fires a little bit weak. I think they're just trying to hang on. Gets it back to Weber. He shoots, deflected back by Uneven Ice. That's going to miss. Blizzard trying to kill a little bit of time. Bounces back. Hart to Sharp. Bit of a weak shot again. Weber has it across. Chris Butler. He shoots on goal. Does not go. Rebound. Stopped again by Carter Hart. Megan turns around and fires. It doesn't go. Rebound. Patrick Sharp does not get it. Turned over. Kyle Okposo skates up with it. Offside he goes. There's going to be a penalty coming up. And that's going to be on the line. California will take advantage and the shot doesn't go. And that stops the clock with 1:43 left. And they're having Okposo stand at the penalty box. They're not having him go in yet. They're actually going to check the hit here. If this is a penalty or not. Because remember, it has to be like a considerable hit for it to be a penalty. And they're going to go to review on this. We'll be back. After video review, the hit is sustainable enough for a penalty. Saskatoon number 21, 1 minute for contact. They're sending him to the box for contact. You can't hit another player. And they're saying it's considerable enough for a penalty. They're saying it's hard enough of a hit. However, it doesn't matter too much. Because, they're still up by 5 goals. Yeah, they're up by 5. So it's kind of odd that they would care so much about it. But Saskatoon is shorthanded until 43 seconds left. But, they've already won the game because they're up by 5. 6-1. We'll see if California can get a power play goal here and at least try and find their way back into the game. Here's Shea Weber, and he scores! That took 3 seconds. And finally, California's got another one. It's a power play goal, and it's 6-2. No, this is another one that Carter Hart would like back. He falls backwards. He has the save, but he falls backwards, and he can't control it. It's a tough one to swallow for him. Shea Weber gets his 4th of the preseason. It's a power play goal. And it's 6-2. Tough one to swallow for Carter Hart because he had the save, but then he fell backwards. I mean, that took 3 seconds into the penalty. It's 6-2. Blizzard going to kill a little bit of time. Sharp fires a shot. That was clean. A clean one there. I think Mike Smith is going to get the credit for that one. I think they're going to go to review for this one too. They're saying it's a good goal. So just 4 seconds after, California gets another one and they're finding their way back in it. 6-3 for the moment, but we got to go to review on this one. Upon video review, it has been determined that the puck did not hit the boards anywhere on the way to the goal. Therefore, the call on the ice stands. It's a good goal. 2 goals in 4 seconds for California. They're trying to inch back into this one. It was 6-1 and now it's 6-3. They're starting to find their way back into it. 6-3 instead of 6-1. Here's the draw. Saskatoon killing off some time here. Over to Okposo. He shoots offside. He goes, and they're just going to touch it up. And you saw Wade Megan pinch it with the boards. That was kind of weird. 1:29 to go. And Saskatoon wins the draw. They're killing a little bit of time here. Patrick Sharp fires. That's going to miss. On goal. Good save. Rebound. That's missing from Welsh. If you're Saskatoon, you want to kill some time. A shot there by Okposo doesn't go. Across to Butler. He fires, misses the net. He gets it back, however. Shooting and a save is made. Patrick Sharp does not shoot it. He chooses not to shoot it. Clock running down towards a minute. Patrick Sharp has it again. He shoots, missed the net. And clock runs to a minute. 1 minute remaining in the regulation time. 1 minute. Butler hits the post. Saskatoon now in full-on time-killing mode. Butler gets it on the turnover. Shea Weber could not put it home. Blizzard killing time again. Patrick Sharp misses. Or it was a save. And whoa, imagine if that had gone in. It doesn't count though, because it would have bounced off. It wouldn't have counted. Here's Wade Megan. Back to Sharp. He shoots no good. Oh, it's turned right back over. Turned back over and another one-shot possession. Clock runs under 30 seconds. Up to Wade Megan. He shoots, does not go. Butler to Welsh. Welsh fires. He misses. That's pretty much it. We will still not have an overtime game. They'll pass it around to Pozo. Bounces it to Welsh. It doesn't go. Weber fires. He misses. And the Blizzard will kill the rest of the clock here. That's it. Blizzard wins 6-3 and our third game that's ended in a 6-3 score. Good win for the Blizzard here today to kind of get back on track after losing to the Rebels yesterday. They beat the Eagles 6-3. I mean, considering that they got 5 of those in the first period and only 1 for the rest of the game, I'm a little concerned. The final score this afternoon, your Saskatoon Blizzard 6, the California Eagles 3. Thank you for watching. The Blizzard get 5 in the first, but then 1 for the rest of the game, which kind of concerns me about their second half again of the game defense. But it doesn't matter much as the Blizzard were able to hang on and win this one. Thank you for watching. 6-3 the final. Bye.